Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Pure Gym promo codes in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come on puregym.com's official website where you can see that currently you can get 50% off on your first month plus $0 or pound joining fees. For that, you need to use this code that is given over here, and it is excludes selected gyms. So here you can just simply use this code in order to avail this offer. Basically, you need to come on the official website of Pure Gym and try to find the exclusive deals or coupon codes if there are any available here. Now in the second method, you just have to open a new tab and search for Pure Gym promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will find a bunch of different websites that are actually providing you 50% off, 49% off, etc. So you need to open these websites in a new tab in order to check what they are actually offering. Then you need to hop on to these websites one by one. As you can see that this website is giving you 50% off deals, 30% off deals. So you just have to simply click on the show discount option, and then it will show you the discount that is available. Then you just have to continue with the deal, but make sure that you read the terms and conditions first in order to avail this offer. After that, you just have to simply check out from Pure Gym, and you will be able to avail this offer. If not, you can come to another website and try to find another promo codes or deals from here. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.